girls. Hi, chookers. So today we're gonna try to have a little fun with our girls. So basically, devised a little game for them to play using a ordinary water bottle. And what you do is we put a little bird seed in there, and you cut some holes at the bottom of the bottle. You want to make sure you keep the cap. And what's going to happen is I'm going to put this on the ground, and the girls are going to roll this around. And while it's being rolled around, well, the idea is they're going to roll it around, and the seed will come out of the holes, and they'll get a little treat and a little exercise at the same time. So we'll see how this goes. A little scared at first. See if they get curious. This is new to them. So again, the idea is for them to push that around, roll it around, and then the seeds will start coming out from the bottom. Just something fun for them to do. They're not quite sure what to make of it. They know something good's in there. Not quite sure how to get it out though. Hey, chooker girls. Chookers. Chook, 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 chook. Chook, 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 chook. So what I'm thinking the problem is that this particular bottle is made really thin, with that thin plastic, and it's making that crackling sound. And I think they are frightened of that sound. So maybe we'll just have to try this with a bottle with a thicker plastic. So, to be continued. Lady girls.